boat broke down, so they're gonna hop on and come fishing with us. Like I said, the audio is gonna suck today, guys, but we gotta make do with what the Lord gave us. So, he told me that he throws the net. So let's see. I usually throw the state of Texas is what I go for.
It's more of a banana hammock.
Banana hammock? I'll let you know. I'm gonna turn back around and try to go back over that meat while we just went on.
Be easier to throw it down.
Yeah, I would throw it away. All right, guys, this is what happens whenever you have somebody to drive and someone that can throw the net. All right, we think we got one more throw. We're gonna have enough baits to fish with. We're marking it so you guys can see all this bait right here. That's all bait. To the left and to the right, 15 foot of the boat. All right, I haven't even got set up yet, guys, and he's already got something on. I don't know what it is. What does it feel like? You've been here before.
How much weight?
Catfish, that little sunshine bass. Got one of these in my net. That was first cast.
That's how it goes right here.
All right, guys, we are at Lake Ida. I made some new friends. They were having some boat issues, and I had a whole boat full of non-issues. So I invited them to come on, and now he got what, one bass so far, and I have yet to fish. So we're about to start. Guys ever belly hook them?
Yeah, you can belly hook.
All right, so here's what we got set up. Shad, we're gonna try to catch some peacocks under the bridge here. Get one?
You got a largemouth.
I said I wanted to catch a largemouth.
Bro, we're doing it.
Hey, all you need now is a clown knife, and that's a Lake Ida slam.
We're working on our slam.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta push it on.
He's chubby.
Couple low bridges to go under, guys. Got some room. Maybe we won't make that one. That's what they look like.
Yeah, that's how you guys do it.
So we caught a lot of largemouth bass, one peacock, or two peacocks, and a cichlid. Bro, we just caught some trash.
Just had to retrieve my condom.
Oh, and then also, I think we got a clownfish on. Oh, we do got a clownfish on. You're gonna do the old bass flip? We don't have a net.
Try it. Ian nailed it.
Oh, buddy, made the day.
Got him. There's your Lake Ida slam.
We're on, guys. Not today. No, if he is going under the boat. You got my line or not? We're clear now. He tried to get me under the boat. Come on, first night fish on the rod and reel.
Yeah, it is.
Sweet. We had to earn this guy today. Oh, a jump. That's awesome. Worth the price of admission. Yeah, there we go.
There he is.
Heck yes. These things are from somewhere in South America, I think. But they're here now.
I think it's like Indonesia.
Indonesia?
Something like that, yeah.
We're gonna look up where they're from, and we'll put it. I'll come back on and tell you where they're actually from. But they're a cool fish. Finally got one, and this is gonna make a nice swordfish bait for these guys. Their boat didn't work today, and then they came out fishing with me, and I don't think I would have got this guy without them. So appreciate it, guys.
Shout out Captain Jason over here.
Awesome. Alright, so we just got done fishing Lake Ida all day. Thanks to these guys, I did get a knife fish. So we're gonna go ahead. We didn't get an intro because we've been fishing all day. So go ahead and just tell us your names.
Chris from West Palm.
What up?
Austin, North Palm Beach. Rice. The Clown Knife King over here.
Appreciate you guys taking me
Thank
out.
you.
Got you guys out. Now I head onward to Marathon, and it's raining. So we'll see you guys next time.